Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into something that truly redefines luxury SUV customization, the new ESTHETE package for the Cadillac Escalade by Larte Design, model years 2024 to 2026, a build that doesn't just look extreme, but is engineered to OEM-level standards. This is not a flashy aftermarket kit made only for show. This is a carefully designed transformation that respects Cadillac's DNA while pushing the Escalade into an entirely new design category. The Cadillac Escalade has always been a symbol of American luxury, power, and presence. It's the vehicle of choice for celebrities, executives, and those who want authority on the road. But Larte Design saw an opportunity to elevate that presence even further. With the ESTHETE package, the Escalade becomes more than a luxury SUV. It becomes a statement of precision craftsmanship and factory-grade performance aesthetics. What immediately sets the ESTHETE apart is its OEM-level engineering philosophy. Every component is developed with factory tolerances in mind. That means perfect panel alignment, proper airflow management, long-term durability, and compatibility with factory sensors and safety systems. This is critical, especially on a vehicle as technologically advanced as the Escalade. Larte Design didn't just design parts to look good, they engineered them to function as if Cadillac itself approved them. Let's start with the front fascia, where the transformation is instantly noticeable. The redesigned front bumper introduces sharper lines, more aggressive air intakes, and a lower stance that visually widens the Escalade. The airflow channels are not decorative, they are shaped to assist cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. The grille area integrates seamlessly with the factory lighting and radar systems, ensuring that adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, and driver assistance features remain fully operational. The hood is another highlight of the ESTHETE package. Sculpted with precision, it adds muscular definition without overwhelming the Escalade's original proportions. Depending on configuration, carbon fiber elements can be integrated for weight reduction and visual contrast. These materials aren't imitation, they're automotive-grade composites designed for long-term exposure to heat, cold, and UV radiation. Moving to the side profile, the ESTHETE design philosophy becomes even clearer. Extended side skirts lower the visual center of gravity, giving the Escalade a planted, road-dominating stance. These components are engineered to align perfectly with factory mounting points, meaning no cutting, drilling, or irreversible modifications are required. That's a huge advantage for owners who value resale value and factory integrity. Wheel arch extensions subtly increase width, allowing for larger wheels while maintaining clean proportions. Larte Design understands that excess can ruin elegance, so the flares are restrained, sculpted, and purposeful. When paired with high-performance wheels, the Escalade looks athletic without sacrificing its luxury SUV identity. At the rear, the ESTHETE package completes the transformation with authority. A redesigned rear bumper integrates aerodynamic diffusers that enhance the vehicle's visual depth. Quad exhaust surrounds, depending on configuration, add a performance-inspired look while maintaining compatibility with factory exhaust routing. Every line flows naturally from the body, avoiding the bolted-on appearance that plagues many aftermarket kits. A subtle roof spoiler adds balance to the rear profile, improving airflow and giving the Escalade a sport luxury silhouette. Again, this isn't just styling, the spoiler is shaped with aerodynamic logic, developed using digital modeling to ensure stability at highway speeds. Inside the vehicle, Larte Design continues the OEM Plus approach. The ESTHETE interior enhancements focus on materials and detail rather than radical redesign. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents can be applied to steering wheels, dashboards, center consoles, and door panels. The craftsmanship mirrors factory quality, with stitching patterns and textures that feel like they belong there from day one. What makes this especially important is that the Escalade's interior is already one of the most advanced in the segment, with massive OLED displays, ambient lighting, and premium audio systems. Larte Design respects this environment, enhancing it without interfering with electronics, airbags, or safety systems. Another key aspect of the ESTHETE package is global compliance. Because the components are designed to OEM standards, they meet strict quality and fitment requirements across international markets. This is especially valuable for owners who export vehicles or register them in regions with tight vehicle modification laws. Fit, finish, and structural integrity are treated as non-negotiable. Durability is another major strength. All exterior components undergo extensive testing for vibration, temperature variation, and environmental stress. Whether the Escalade is driven in extreme heat, cold winters, or urban stop-and-go traffic, the ESTHETE package is built to last. Paint-ready surfaces, corrosion, resistant coatings, and high-strength mounting systems ensure longevity equal to factory body panels. One of the most impressive aspects of this build is how it balances aggression and sophistication. Many widebody or custom kits push too far, turning luxury SUV into exaggerated show cars. ESTHETE avoids that trap. It enhances the Escalade's authority without compromising its elegance. The result is a vehicle that looks equally at home in a corporate parking lot or pulling up to a red carpet event. For model years 2024 to 2026, this package is especially relevant. Cadillac has refined the Escalade with advanced technology, improved ride quality, and subtle design evolution. The ESTHETE package builds on that foundation rather than fighting it. It's a modern interpretation of what a luxury performance SUV should look like in today's market. In a world where aftermarket customization often means sacrificing reliability or factory integration, Larte Design's ESTHETE package stands out. It proves that customization can be intelligent, precise, and OEM-level without losing individuality. This is not about being loud, it's about being refined, confident, and unmistakably premium. So if you're looking at the Cadillac Escalade and thinking it needs something more presence, more exclusivity, more character, the ESTHETE by Larte Design delivers exactly that. It's not just a body kit. It's a design philosophy built around respect for engineering, luxury, and performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ESTHETE Cadillac Escalade, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about OEM standard customization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.